Hello, we can see here. Here is our office building. And follow me. This way here is the workshop. Now I'm inside the workshop and we can see those are our machines. Hello everyone, here is our main machine and this one here is the spray dryer. Spray dryer suitable for the mobility wheel liquid emulsion suspension in power in various industries such as the milk, protein, Chinese traditional food and aluminum oxide. Spray dryer is the continuous machine from feed to discharger, only several seconds. It's easy to operate and control. Hi guys, here is the double pore vacuum dryers. Let's check the details. This one for double pore vacuum dryers. It is stage type. Mix and drop at the same time in one chamber. Suitable for the powder granules, crystal in food, pharmaceutical, chemical, battery industry. The machine is jacket heating the heat source. Can be hot, water, steam, oil, depends your raw material temperature resistance. If your raw material is organic solution, please tell us before ordering. We will make machines as your requirements.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.